If you want to scan photos into your computer, you'll need a couple of things. Number one, you'll need a scanner. Now, you can pick up a flatbed scanner at any of your hardware stores. Nowadays they have the 3-in-1, which is usually your scanner, flatbed scanner, your printer, as well as a fax machine, your copier. So what I have here is a flatbed scanner, and as you can see, it opens up to a glass bed in which I can place my photo, close it, and just press simply scan. The picture will then go from my scanner into my computer. What I like to do is import my photos into Photoshop. There are other editing software out there that you can import your pictures into that are more consumer based, and you'll have a lot of fun editing your photos right in your editing system after scanning them into your editing system. So enjoy.